Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Smart USA, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in future cars and electric innovation. Today we're diving into something that's got the entire EV world buzzing, Tesla's upcoming $25,000 electric car, known internally as Project Redwood. This could be the car that finally makes Tesla ownership possible for everyone. Now Tesla has dominated the high-end EV market with the Model S, X3, and Y. But this one is different. The Redwood is designed to be Tesla's first truly affordable mass-market EV, aiming for a price point of around $25,000 in the US. That's nearly half the cost of most Teslas today, and it could completely change the game for electric vehicles worldwide. So, what do we know so far? The Redwood will be built on Tesla's next-generation platform, designed for ultra-efficient production. Elon Musk has hinted that this platform could cut manufacturing costs by up to 50%, meaning faster build times, fewer parts, and a more sustainable process overall. In terms of design, expect a compact hatchback or crossover. Think smaller than a Model 3, but still carrying that clean, futuristic Tesla look. Some reports suggest it may borrow a bit of inspiration from the Cybertruck's minimalist style, giving it a bold and futuristic personality that stands out in city traffic. Under the hood, or should we say, under the floor, Tesla's Redwood will likely use new lithium iron phosphate, LFP batteries, which are cheaper, longer-lasting, and safer. Don't expect mind-blowing acceleration like the Model S Plaid, but it should still offer a solid 250-300 miles of range on a single charge, which is incredible for this price point. And here's the part that's really interesting, and production is expected to begin in mid-2025 at Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas, with expansion plans for other markets soon after. This means by 2026 we could see the Redwood hitting showrooms, and possibly even a robotaxi version later down the line, as Tesla continues developing its self-driving technology. If Tesla pulls this off, the Redwood could be the most important car in the company's history. Not because it's the fastest or flashiest, but because it could make clean, smart transportation available to millions of new buyers around the world. So, what do you think? Will this $25,000 Tesla become the next big revolution in electric cars? Or will other automakers catch up first? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the future of mobility. This is Drive Smart USA, and we'll see you in the next one.